Hello, my name is Courtney Macris. I'm Vice President of Business Development here with Paul Davis Restoration, and I'm based out of Lakeland, Florida, so just in between Tampa and Orlando, but work out of home office in Jacksonville. My favorite thing about working here at Paul Davis is truly the people that I have the opportunity to work with and alongside. I'm a firm believer that the people are what make an organization successful, especially in a services-based business, and we just are offering extraordinary service to those that we have an opportunity to serve here at Paul Davis. So for fun, I grew up on a horse farm in Southern Virginia, and so for fun still today, I ride and show horses competitively. So I am actually competing for the national championship title this upcoming weekend in Perry, Georgia. So that's what I do for fun. Outside of that, I really just love spending time, very family oriented, and love spending time with my family. My experience here at Paul Davis has been so wonderful, and just looking forward to continuing to get to work closely with the team and alongside the team here, and many years of future success ahead.